Hello, my name is Stephen Ma, and my hypothetical research proposal is the effect of diet on the microbiome. And my mentor is Tobias Cole. All right, ah, there. So, um, wild mice obviously eat different things to, well, rats that live in the cities. So, basically, in the previous question, we're studying the effect of diet on the microbiome. So, we're seeing if the diet of wild mice, so that's nuts, that's wheat and fruits, versus just ordinary pet food, whether that has a effect on the microbiome, which is basically the fungi in a person or organism in this case. So obviously what you eat, well, you are what you eat, and what you eat affects the microbes inside your intestines. And most of the organisms that do live inside your intestines are mainly bacteria, but a very small portion of such organisms are actually fungi. Um, if you had a pie chart of what percentage of organisms were bacteria and what percentage were fungi, the fungi would pretty much be non-existent. But despite all this, the fungi still do have a major impact on the health of their host organisms microbiome. All right, and so basically, we're seeing if whether the wild diet of mice versus the artificial pet food diet of mice will result in different microbiomes or microbiomes and what effects that can cause. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to feed them for a few weeks. And at the end, we're going to take samples of their feces and then measure how many different types of fungi there are. Yep. And then, well, this is what I said before. In short, we're going to measure the amount of organisms in their feces because that basically is representative of how much they have inside their intestines. And furthermore, we're also going to inject them with a virus and or well, a virus or bacteria. Bacteria would affect the gastrointestinal tract more, mainly because well, bacteria live more in there, and viruses more affect the respiratory system. And so we're going to see how many of the rats come up with symptoms, and basically this will show which diet is like stronger overall and leads to better health. And our prediction is that the wild rats, well, the rats that follow the wild diet, will have a higher microbiome diversity. And this is obviously because they eat lots of different foods. So obviously, you are what you eat, your microbiome and microbiome, therefore, will be more diverse. And the percentage sicken, it would probably be the rats following the artificial diet. And that's because well, artificial food has been treated, it has preservatives. So obviously the wild rats have less exposure to pathogens versus the rats following the wild diet. And so like here's the bigger picture. Like although the study is on mice, mice are similar to humans in a way. And furthermore, the microbiome diversity is still has very similar health impacts across both mice and men. And obviously by studying the effect that a diet has on the microbiome of mice and what effect that has on their health, we can learn more about us. And furthermore, this can also be used to treat or come up with new diets or new foods that really improve human health. That's it.